In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on the Nextdoor app. This process is simple and will help you personalize your account, making it easier for your neighbors to recognize you. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Nextdoor app and sign into your account. As you launch the app, you will see the familiar layout of the Nextdoor interface. If you are already logged in, you will be taken directly to your feed. If not, enter your email and password. This initial step is essential because it gets you into your account where all your personal data and settings reside. Once you successfully sign in, you will be ready to make changes and enhance your profile. Next, tap your profile photo or initials in the top right corner. This action directs you to your personal profile page. If you have already set a profile picture, you will see it displayed here. If not, your initials will be visible instead. Tapping on this area is crucial because it gives you access to all your profile settings. You will notice that the layout is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your profile options. From there, tap My Profile. This option allows you to view and edit your profile details. You will see various sections such as your name, address, and other personal information. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it is the heart of your profile. You can make changes to multiple elements here, ensuring that your profile accurately represents you in the community. Now, tap Edit Profile. This step opens up the editing options for your profile, where you can modify your details. It is a straightforward process designed to give you control over the information displayed to your neighbors. Adjusting your profile ensures that your community sees the most current version of you. You will appreciate how simple it is to make these changes, adding a touch of personalization to your account. Next up, tap your profile photo. This action is where the fun begins, as you get to choose a new image. You will see options to either take a photo or select one from your device. This selection is important because a clear and friendly image can help create a welcoming presence in your neighborhood network. Whether you choose a professional headshot or a casual snapshot, make sure it reflects who you are. After that, choose to take a photo or select a photo from your device. If you opt to take a new picture, your camera will open. Make sure the lighting is good and your background is clear for the best results. If you choose to select a photo, you will be directed to your gallery. Here you can browse through your images and pick one that you feel represents you well. This step allows you to showcase your personality and connect better with your neighbors. Once you have chosen your image, adjust or crop the image if prompted. This step ensures your photo fits perfectly within the profile picture frame. You may want to center your face and ensure there are no distractions in the background. This little adjustment is significant because it enhances the visual appeal of your profile, making it more inviting for others to engage with you. Finally, tap Save to update your profile picture. This action confirms that all your changes are applied and your new image is set. You should see a confirmation message or a visual change reflecting your new profile picture. This step is the culmination of your efforts, and it gives you a sense of accomplishment. Now your profile is updated, helping you stand out in the Nextdoor community.